Alright guys, in today's Boost It, we are talking about the expandable accessory kit from Edge. Now compatibility is going to be a little bit different with this one. What this system allows you to do is daisy chain accessories such as EGT probes, or if you have some lights that you want to connect to your CTS3 monitor. This is going to allow you to connect them all together and then connect it into your monitor so you can display those things on your monitor and also control those lights if that's what you want to hook up to it. Edge is constantly looking for ways to improve the user experience, and this is definitely one of those things that you need for your truck if you have an Edge monitor or a tuner. Now this particular one is the EGT probe, but they sell multiple of these that have power accessories and a few other options for whatever you're looking for to connect to your monitor or tuner. If you guys have any other questions on the expandable accessory kit from Edge, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. We'll help you get exactly what you need for your truck.